Well, Obi Baby said that Paco, you're too dramatic. Why that today? Neso the umbrella is wodo. I just want to let you know the importance of umbrella. In other times, you might need it, and so keep it well so that when the rainy season is here again, you can have it. Now let's go to Dope Nation. Well, what Sambia worker they say you friend in your boy are fasting or torching and a puma, and that is true. Yes, a kind of years ago, we discovered one blind girl Biana and our Peter was supporting, but a lot of family issues came up, and at a point they had to withdraw their support for this lady. But Obi Bakaden Kazo wa Canada Osro in Sunsuma, but these guys haven't given up. They went far there in Kumasi to discover Besebi, our friend Sewa. Now, what this girl was doing was asaponi with their new song. And so they decided to move all the way to Kumasi to show this girl some love. They bought her a wheelchair worth 13,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, I saw what Chroma had, but they were watching. But it took a secular artist to show them that love. And we appreciate the likes of Dope Nation now. And so I'll use this opportunity to encourage them. Me, VJ Parkour Rich, homeboy from South Pond. I forgot Johnson boy, so forget about the Takrady vibe. And we really truly appreciate their effort and support for the less privileged, the needy, and all that. But the master in there, one manager, one paima Richmond, on yet kakra. Nah, oh, be like. Big ups, Dope Nation. This is. Money.